In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your HubSpot owner ID in just 5 minutes. HubSpot is an invaluable tool for managing customer relationships, and knowing your owner ID can help streamline various processes. So let's get started. First, you'll need to visit the HubSpot homepage, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.hubspot.com. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter your email address. This should be the email associated with your HubSpot account. After typing it in, click on the Next button. Doing so will prepare your account for the login process. If you're using Google to manage your logins, the next step is seamless. Now you'll be presented with an option to sign in with Google. Click on the Sign in with Google link, and then select the email address associated with your account from the list provided. This step conveniently bypasses any need for manually entering passwords, ensuring a quicker login. Once you're logged into HubSpot, look towards the top right corner of your dashboard. Here you'll find the name of your account. Go ahead and click on your account name. This action will open up a drop-down menu with various account-related options. Among the options in the drop-down, you'll see the choice to view your account details. Choose this option, and you'll be directed to a page that displays key information about your account. Look for an ID number. This is your HubSpot owner ID. This ID is a unique identifier that corresponds to your account in HubSpot's system. So there you have it. Your HubSpot ID is conveniently displayed under your account name. By following these steps, retrieving your HubSpot owner ID is straightforward and efficient. Remember, having quick access to your HubSpot owner ID can assist with integrating other applications, tracking, and managing your accounts more effectively. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these small yet crucial aspects of using digital tools like HubSpot. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and clear. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and tips on making the most of your digital tools. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.